keep it current. 'Cause I've made some observations. My vision. I don't need no second chances. I don't need no second guessing. Move with the times. And I need to look for answers. I don't wanna ask the questions. I know what's right. Stop chasing all the things that you think you'll find. Start gazing.
So let's get our first cake. There's our seasoned flour. Quickly in that. Into the egg.